In this video, we will teach you how to assemble your new hoverboard cart. Using a box cutter, open the box. Remove instructions and read carefully before assembling. Remove items from box. Items include accessory bag. Accessory bag includes straps, tools, sticky pads, bolts and washers, front wheel, foot handles, both left and right handlebars, back post, seat frame, T-stem, foot bar, rear seat bar, handlebar attachments, seat plates. Following instructions, first grab the seat frame. Now grab rear seat bar and slide it through. Secure the seat frame and the seat bar together as shown. Next, grab the T-stem and the foot bar and slide the foot bar through the T-stem. Use nuts and bolts to secure the foot stem and T-stem together. Next, place the foot handles on both sides of the foot bar. Then attach the front wheel and secure it to the T-stem with bolts. Attach the seat plates to the back post. Next, place the sticky pads onto the handlebar attachments as shown. Then attach the handlebars to the handlebar attachments using nuts and bolts. Now slide the back post into the seat frame and attach with nuts and bolts as shown. Then attach the remaining seat plates to the seat frame. Now place the handlebars on both sides of the seat frame and secure using nuts and bolts as shown. Then slide in the T-stem into the seat frame and adjust to the desired length and secure with main bolt. Last step, thread the straps through the strap holes at the bottom of the seat frame and around the hoverboard and secure.